हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू द चैनल। देखो हाय गाइस क्या है मतलब? और कुछ बोल ले यार, हर दिन हाय गाइस क्या है मतलब? गो फॉर अ चेंज ब्रो। तो ठीक है, अभी हम करते हैं चेंज। ओके, सो हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू द चैनल। मैं शुभम, करेंटली स्टडिंग इन एमडी सेकेंड ईयर इन यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ परपेचुअल हेल्प इन फिलीपींस। सो मैं पहले ही बता देता हूँ, आज का जो वीडियो होने वाला है वो बेसिकली होने वाला है, यार कभी तो सुन ले अपने सब्सक्राइबर लोगों का। यार वो बच्चा बोला था, याद नहीं कि उनको हिंदी समझ नहीं आता, बस हिंदी हिंदी इंग्लिश आती नहीं क्या? सो ऑन द डिमांड ऑफ आवर सब्सक्राइबर्स एंड ऑल्सो भाई के डिमांड पे, अच्छा नो हिंदी, so on the demand of bhai and subscribers, so we are going to make this video totally in English so that I don't get also confused with the subtitles and all. That also takes a lot of editing and all that stuff. So let's get into the video. Okay, so in this video we are going to see like all the things that a student who is going to Philippines to study MBBS wants to know about, the books and the subjects that he is going to be taught, and the books that he is going to buy, okay, for MBBS first year. Like the Indian students can also refer to this, so that if they are preparing for some entrance exam, it is going to be useful for them. And the physiology books are also like preferred, and the Indian students also use these books, okay, for like a bit of higher study and like that stuff, okay. And generally India may, like in India, the students who are studying in MBBS first year, they refer BD Chaurasia. The anatomy is generally BD Chaurasia, okay. You can see this, okay. I have like all the three parts, like volume 1, 2, 3, 4. Like the thing was, when I was going to Philippines, okay, I bought all these three books prior to 2 or 3 months. I thought that like in YouTube there are no videos on this, like the books that we need when you're studying in Philippines for MBBS first year. So I brought these books, but when I went there, I got to know that generally they don't teach these BD Chaurasia books. It is generally used in India. I had bought 2 to 3 months, I had read something, but I don't think it was that of useful, because the questions are going to come from more clinically oriented anatomy, not from BD Chaurasia, okay. So that was the thing. So basically don't do this mistake when you are going to Philippines, okay. Mainly this mistake is done by a lot of students. I had also done it, so don't waste money. I'll be giving the links, okay. I'll be giving the links of Amazon, link of all the books that you are going to buy when you are going to MBBS first year in Philippines. So link is in the description. So I've written the book name and also the link, so you can go there and buy all the books. So that will be a useful thing. And to get this video started, we are going to have 5 major subjects in Philippines MBBS first year. 5 major subjects and 3 there will be minor subjects, okay. So main focus should be on major subjects, because in minor subjects, 3 minor subjects, PMP, PMCH and psychiatry, okay, these are not that useful, because when you're going to first year, in the classes the teachers will be giving PPTs, okay, PPTs and some assignments and all that. This will count for your these 3 minor subjects, and it isn't a bit difficult. Like, it's very easy. Like generally the previous year questions get repeated, you can get through these minor subjects easily, but main problem you'll be facing with these major subjects. So your focus should be all on these major subjects, and in these minor subjects you don't have any books, only the PPTs and assignments and some stuff that the teacher will be providing. That will be of much more and enough for you. No worries. For minor subjects, go for this, and from 5 major subjects and the books that will be required, now I am going to say all about that. So mainly those subjects होते हैं that are, first one is anatomy, second is physiology, and third is neuroanatomy, fourth is histology, and fifth is biochem, okay. So these are the main subjects that you are going to read, because we are going to be doctors, okay. So we are going to read the anatomy, physiology, histology, all of this of a human being. Like you can see me, you are going to read anatomy of me. like the structural organs, about that, physiology, the internal mechanism that goes on in my body, and all of these. Okay, histology about cells, neuroanatomy, मतलब पूरा, okay, like all that stuff, spinal cord, CNS, PNS, all that. And in biochem, that will be that is a basically biochem is a chemistry that will be applied in biology to understand all the mechanisms and all that stuff. So you'll be reading this. So for example, you can like see, like we're going to be doctors, we need to get a better idea of this, because in first year obviously, but you need to go and get a better idea of the body or the thing that you are going to study. So that is the main thing. Okay, and to tell about the subjects, so the first subject is going to be anatomy, and this is a book that you're going to refer, Clinically Oriented Anatomy of Moraes. Okay, you can get this from Amazon, the link is there, you can check it out. So basically this is the newer edition. Previously we were having one book, okay, one book that combined of 3 editions. Now basically we are having 3 editions, okay, but I have 2 now. The thing is, when I came here to India in November or December, okay, so our all exams are over of first year, we are just going to get promoted to second year. And you know the flight, there is only 25 kgs. If I bring all the books, that should be around 12 to 13 kgs. Again take it back along with the MD second year books, so that's a big troublesome issue. So I had only my anatomy finals left, so that is why I had only brought these 2 volumes of Moraes anatomy book, and I had also brought a physiology book of Guyton and Hall, but I don't know where it is, I'm not getting it. Anyways, this is the first subject, that is anatomy, and the book you are going to refer is Clinically Oriented Anatomy of Moraes. And the second thing is, and the second subject is physiology. You're going to enjoy a lot, and it isn't that tough according to anatomy. For me, basically, I don't know all about you, but for me, yahi same tha. So for physiology, basically, you'll be going through 2 books, okay? And mainly in the classes, the teacher will ask you to go through Burney and Levy, okay? And there is another book, Guyton and Hall, which is a bit easy compared to Burney and Levy, but it isn't a much difference. But generally in the classes, the teacher will ask like, there is one subject, okay, like respiratory system, okay, the teacher will ask in the exam, the questions will be coming from Burney and Levy, so you need to study from Burney and Levy only, okay. So this is the difference. Like if you're having 2 books, generally students have doubt from which book we are going to read and all that stuff. So basically the teacher clarifies which book we are going to read. And then the third book is histology, that like I have the e-books and PDFs of that, so I'll show you on my laptop screen so you can see that. And there isn't a problem, I'll show you there. And like the recent edition of these books, link I had given in description, so you can check that. And now you can see in my laptop screen the books of histology, and then like neuroanatomy and biochem, okay. So do stay tuned for this. So guys, this is the basic histology text and atlas for histology. Basically this is the e-book that I have, so you can see this. We'll also have all the contents like histology and its methods of study, cytoplasm, and basically this is the book, okay. And if you want to buy the book, so you can go to, like in this video's description also you'll get the links like this, physiology, Guyton, histology, and here in this histology you can click the link and directly it will direct you to the Amazon page. So from here you can buy. You need to buy the paperback one, okay, because Kindle version is, you need to have a Kindle for that, okay. So then this is the histology, okay. And then if you see, I have the PDF also for this book, that is biochemistry, Harper's Biochemistry, okay, 31st edition. This is the latest edition, Harper's Illustrated Biochem. So you'll have all of these chapters over here. You can see the contents over here also. Like the first one is structures and functions of proteins and enzymes. Basically these chapters you have also read in 12th biochem also, so the 11th biochem, but it's obviously a bit further, way ahead, like, okay. And then this also you can go and directly buy, like going to the video, and there you go in Amazon, the link. This is the book. Here also you need to buy the paperback one, okay. You need to go to here, see all buying options, and then from here you can add to cart anyone, and then you can buy from here, okay. And then we are done with histology, we are done with biochem. Then we'll be coming to neuroanatomy, okay. So for neuroanatomy you can go to the video, and here you can see in clinical neuroanatomy, And so this is the clinical neuroanatomy book. Okay, this is the edition 7 latest book of Richard S. Snell. So you can go directly to the link of the video. Okay, I provided the link. You can go and here like directly you can add to cart. The paperback is coming, direct add to cart, and from here you can buy. Okay, and here you can see this is Bernay and Levy physiology. Okay, this was the Guyton and Hall, but this is the previous model. Okay, don't buy this. I mentioned the latest link of Guyton and Hall. Here you can see this is the latest Guyton and Hall. Okay, third South Asia edition. So it's better buy this, the latest one. This was the older one. You can see second South Asia edition. This is the older one, second South Asia edition, and this is the third South Asia edition. So you need to buy this. Okay, here the paperback option is there, directly add to cart and you can buy that. So basically these are the 5 books. First is clinically oriented anatomy, then Guyton and Hall for physiology, or Bernay and Levy, and then for histology, and then clinically oriented of Richard S. Snell for neuroanatomy, and then coming to Biochem of Harper. We are done. And then another book that you will need is Atlas. Okay, this one, Atlas of Human Anatomy. You can buy also this from Amazon. This is the book. Okay, this is the international edition. You can directly go and click buy now. Okay, then you can directly buy. So guys, do like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that it keeps me motivated to bring out such stuff for you, which is going to be very useful when you're coming to Philippines. Okay, so if you enjoyed the video, do give it a thumbs up, and thank you for watching.